Hello, this video is a test video for me to learn how to add captions. This would be a sample welcome video for my upcoming Com Studies 101 courses for the fall. I'll be teaching a very special section of that course. It will be Intro to Communication, and I will be pairing it with financial literacy. Now, fortunately for students, I will not be teaching money management, how to budget, how to invest, or anything that has to do with math. But instead, we will be looking at how money can infiltrate itself into our communication conversations, how it can impact the way we feel about ourselves, about social justice issues in the world, and also how we perceive others. So every area of our course is going to have a little bit of an overtone, or in some cases a lot of overtone, of financial matters. So in essence, we're learning communication studies and the human component of money. I look forward to teaching this course, and I look forward to working with you.